Hello friends, we are starting our Organized Self-Employment Ministry 22nd session. As we know, we are gathering here for making right of pension fundamental right of pension after 14 year for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should be self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental right. We should become documented. We are already documented by PAN card, Aadhaar card, photo, election ID card. We should be also documented by fiscal credit table, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain showing. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. I have written book Truth Only Trumps. This is my book. This is the family drama of 6 Hindu unborn family mandir who are day and night working and blessing us all over India. I am trying to sell this book and I have written this in 2001, and since then I am publishing this book. This is containing 218 pages, and in this 6 unborn pages of 6 unborn mandir I have written. The basic concept for which I am doing organized self-employment ministry and budget, organized self-employment ministry and budget 22nd session is that we should be organized employed and we should start self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. For this I have also made the fiscal credit table, because fiscal credit table is the path by which we can move on the basis of organized self-employment ministry, because this is the fiscal credit table which will give us the path of organized self-employment ministry and budget, because by this table we will be able to show our organized self-employment ministry and budget work, because our income, work, educational certificate, certain fiscal credit by this fiscal credit table will be given validity, and what work we are doing on that basis we can easily become self-employed earner, and fiscal credit will come to us, because fiscal credit is the requirement of today, and this will give the validity of this. So for this we have to understand the setup, because understanding the setup the concept get clear. So let us come to Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, Amit Kumar Jha, room number 126, with my mobile number 6397360717. Room number 1 is for Shiv Shakti Mandir, 12 Jyotir Mandir, and the rays are coming from Kailash Dham. We are trying to document ourselves by the fiscal credit table, by this table, because this table is the table by which we are trying to document by income, work, educational certificate, what we have, by faith, truth, because we are sons and daughters of Shiv Puran. Then second, from the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad, the second room. And the rays are coming from Vaikuntha and Kshir Sagar Dham. 12 Jyotirmandir document. Day and night they are working us and they are blessing us in our different locality present all over India. And we are living around that. And by this fiscal credit table, we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavanai, because this is self-employment government job. What work we are doing, that work will be given validity, because we have to generate trust and faith. Because when we are starting any new work, we have to understand first, because all the pros and cons understanding gives us a clear validity. When we were doing Congress session from 1885 till 1947, we did 67 years session. Then we were able to convince the Britishers that you should go. So in our mind, we have to clear this concept that yes, this is a validity of income work educational certificate we want. Then coming to the third room, which is of ISBN, that is Brahma Saraswati Mandir, ISBN, the all Hindu laureate writers, Hindu writers who have written the book, like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rajendra Prasad, Morarji Desai, Mahatma Gandhi, all the MPs and MLAs, all the books which has been written for the welfare, truth and non-violence. In that 12 book, we are putting ISBN certificate with truth only terms which I have written, and the rays are coming from the Satyadham, and we are taking this validity. We are taking this fiscal credit certificate so that we can be able to make ourselves self-earning, self-work, certain fiscal credit. Because like railway track, we are moving now. Then come to the fourth room of mine, that is of Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagvat. 12 Jyotirmandir who are blessing us all over India, which I have recommended. And by this fiscal credit table, we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavanai, because by that eye, from the governor house eye, and from the vote bank eye, because we are sons and daughters of all these books. Then coming to the fifth room, that is Hindu Varshkrit, the Surya Chandra Navagrah Dhanvantri Kuber Saptarishi Sanakadami, different types of god and goddess which we are keep calling in the different yagyas and different pujas while we are making our houses or any types of puja. Thousands of god we are calling, god and goddess. So I am putting the Varshkrit. We have to see from the each united Varshkrit god and goddess naam, the rays are coming, and then we are trying to document by self-earning, self-work, showing this fiscal credit table, because 70% of the people are irregular earner and some are trying. So automatically by this we are able to get a fiscal credit salary. Then it is coming 20 into 5, 100%. Now I have tried to make it documented. So I have taken a government dham in the room number 6, the Constitution of India, and Parliament, RBI, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat, university press, and all the Hindus families I have taken in the 16.66, because I have tried to develop the concept on 16.66 per view. 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%. So on that basis, the rays are coming from the truth non-violence government dham by the document system, because we will do sessions and we will try to understand the concept. Until and until faith and trust will not develop, this will not come, because our signature in the truth and non-violence way is required, so that all the pros and cons can be discussed properly. So by this we develop a constitutional system, which I am moving from 2001 only. This is 2021 continuously. This is organized self-employment ministry session 22. So in this way, a fiscal credit table which will give us a documented path from Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. Now this raise and the documented way, we have to enlarge it by Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I in the documented form to the 750 MPs who are working day and night in the Parliament, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. From this fiscal credit table, because railway system is already working in India. This is self-employment ministry budget system, the fiscal credit table. So in this way, organize self-employment ministry. Like we have railway ticket, similarly it has been made 0 to 18, 18 to 58 year. The work which we are doing, it is being given validated, because educational certificate work is given validated in that. So in that way, that raise is connected to the Parliament of India 750. I am trying to develop trust and faith in the different sessions. This is 22nd session of organized self-employment ministry. Then we have to see our Vidhan Sabha brothers and sisters who are working day and night in different 29 state and 6 union territory. They are 4,500 approximately. Now in different areas they are working day and night. So we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I this fiscal credits table system by which we are giving self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing constitutional validity. And we are becoming the vote bank, because in this all system people are there, illiterate, signature known and up till delete, and PhD holders, all are in that. And we have tried to exclude 30,000 per month above earner, and also those who have confidence that no, we don't require, we are not pressurizing, but those who are interested in constant earning, so that whole life in a constant manner in documented form we can move, for them it is there. So we have to see, and we can easily become the vote bank, because we can by democratic means, by the democratic path, we can develop this. So in this way we have to see from the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. And now all the 6 rays are joining at the point of this truth only terms and this fiscal credit table. At one point, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. And by documenting ourselves, how we are documenting? By PAN card, Aadhaar card, photo election identity card, and the passport. We are already married in different household, and we are seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House. In the state from the Governor House I, and from the central level we are seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, the documented concept. Because 12 Jyotirlinga of all, Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham I have taken. 12 topmost, so that we can have a proper movement. And then automatically after that the lower, as we have the system of the IAS, then the Public Service Commission, and then the General Commission. So on that basis I have tried to document the system so that we do not face in a democratic manner. Now for the understanding, I have tried to make a court martial connection. If all are agreeing, we are signing, we are making 6 houses: Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, that is Kshir Sagar Dham, Satya Dham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. 6 houses I am making. All are fully earner. Whatever they are earning, that has been validated. If the government accept that yes, he is earning. And by this work, as 70% of the people are earning but irregular earning. So on that basis, a fiscal credit system is developed in that. A strong fiscal credit system where the fiscal credit salary is coming. So for that, I have made a drama from the truth only terms. From the truth only terms. Truth only terms, this book I have made a drama because that drama will give. I am selling this book in the market. Truth only terms from the Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, so that the development can be coming. And I have made a worship document home also from Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, on movement of document part. Those who have faith, trust in me. For that, a document path by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. And 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to 11 September. By these documents, the ideal pair ideal is coming of all the 4 generation of each 6 unborn meeting at one point. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, and we are worshipping and we are giving flowers in the form of worship these 10 days, and then we are immersing the ideal in the water, Ganga and rivers around us, those who have faith and believe in this. And by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we are becoming government job and we are working. If we are able to qualify higher grade above 30,000 per month earner class, we can leave this or we can remain in this, and those who are attached, they will continue in that. And by house system, our control will be in the hand of democratic prime minister, democratic political parties, and chief minister and governor. What system is there? Only document has been entered. Money will be arranged by us only, by contributing us only. That will be organized and validated, because by this fiscal credit system, which I have tried to make on this table, fiscal credit table I have tried to make. I will explain again you that in organized self-employment ministry, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. This is an assumed month fiscal credit table, because I am trying to take trust and faith from the organized self-employment ministry and budget different session. So illiterate, those who are illiterate, round about 22% of the people according to the planning commission are illiterate. For that, wage per day I have assumed 330. So fiscal credit per day is half of the wage per day, that is 165. So salary per month is 9,900. Now they are unorganized worker, informal sector worker. So on the organized self-employment ministry and budget, I have tried to give the fiscal credit table. I have tried to give according to the fiscal credit table per month is half of that, that is 4,950. So in hand he is getting 4,950 by this fiscal credit table. Now this can reach to 400 also, 300 also, because according to my document theory which I am trying to propagate, so that we have infinite population and infinite profession. If we are making organized ourselves, per month assurance of 10 rupees in a democratic way on our work, truth and non-violence work, it will give a boost up, because on that basis we can put our photo of our idealists, god and goddess, who have been saving us from the Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, from the Brahma Saraswati Pranam, the ISBN, different Hindu writers book, physics, chemistry, biology, Hindi, English, all types of humanities, all types of IIT book we can put in front and we can move. Fiscal credit per month is fixed for self-earning, and competitive atmosphere remains on the level of truth and non-violence as we have developed from 26 January 1950. And 12 months, suppose we are fixing, I have tried to fix illiterate per month 4950. That means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Full month he is getting. Full control by signing the document. 12 month he is signing the document in front of Organized Self-Employment Ministry seniors. Because I have tried to connect 18 years to 32 years, 32 years to 46 years, and 46 years to 58 years. And in between, crores and crores people can be self-employed by the document system all over India. And each generation will join and live according to their freedom. Now second slab I have made of signature note. For the signature note, I have tried to give the validity by making the working constitutional slab, that is 375 wage per day. So what will happen? Fiscal credit per day will be 187.5. So salary per month will be 11,250. So according to the rules of Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget, it will be half fiscal credit salary per month. It will be 5,625. So in hand will be 5,625. Now we have to generate trust and faith by different session. It can be decreased to 500 also, because I will again repeat the same process, that by the signing the document, assurance from the government automatically will boost up, because from 0 days to 18 years if required, and 18 to 58 years it is open to all, so that we can become self-employed and we can orient our career in different profession. Because in the room number 1 to 6, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973607717. I have tried to show also the profession of our 130 crore, because I have assumed population on 120 crore, and I have divided on the Rashtrapati Bhavan raise and on the Governor House raise in a democratic manner in 6 unborn family who son we are by documenting system. So automatically professional people are also involved. One family is a complete devoted politician. Second family is complete devoted industrialist. Third family is complete devoted educationist, or you can say lawyer, or you can say press. Fourth family is complete devoted family. For like Ramnavami, Krishnashtami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brahspatwari, Shukrawari, Shanivari, Ravivari, all Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Triju, all types of different Varshkrit pujas which we are doing in our household. And the fifth family is completely the truth and non-violence family. Completely truth and non-violence family. And the sixth family is government family, who is already documented and working. Only difference here I have tried to make on the 30,000 above and 30,000 below per month earner, so that employment equilibrium point can be maintained. Employment equilibrium point means that this is the point where the self-earner has to understand that I am a self-earner, I am working wherever is insecure, and this is coming as assurance. I have to devotedly score and I have to go high as a earner and reach above 30,000 per month. On the other hand, assurance by signing documents by guarantee of our 750, I am trying to generate trust and faith. We have to develop trust and faith. 750 documents of the MPs from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and 4,500 MLAs and MP. A documented path is coming from Amit Kumar Jha, Sarda Pulloraduru. We are all becoming documented who are interested in this, and we are becoming faithful, because a organized self-employment ministry and budget is the center where we all are reaching and all professional people are reaching. Like market, in market we all are going, but in market and in any office we all are going, but according to our, here everyone has common interest, like railway station and like airport. But in that, the air ticket and the railway ticket should be there and platform ticket should be there. But here we have the organized self-employment ministry budget ticket, that is 100% constitutional documented system, because we are constitutionally 100% living in that by the document system, and 24/7 this organized self-employment ministry is opening and all political parties are working in that. I have tried to assume so that concept get clearly kept in the mind of us, so that the development path should be documented, like Grand Trunk Road. So Grand Trunk document by putting, because this 6 document, I have told you we have 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir document. We have 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir document. I have tried to document on Prabhu and Lakshmi. So Vishnu Lakshmi is also Prabhu and Lakshmi, Ram Sita is also Prabhu and Lakshmi, and Krishna Radha is also Prabhu and Lakshmi. And on the other hand, Shiv Parvati is Baba and Shakti. All the Bharat Jyotirlinga who has been blessing us are Baba and Shakti. So I have tried to document, and full Aadhaar card I have divided in the family system into 16.66 into 6 in the family socialist pattern of society, and we are working in the capitalist pattern of society. But the constitutional document system is giving us assurance, if 10 rupees is the fiscal credit salary in hand per month, so 12 month we are getting 120, and it can be increased by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month, sure commission of India. Because at the time of independence, we were having 10 rupees, 20 rupees salary for the gazetted officers. But now it has become more than 1 lakh, because the value of the employment equilibrium point, which I have made 30,000 above and 30,000 below, so that 70% vote bank should understand. As we are earning strongly, we are able to understand all circumstances in our life. But when we are economically weak, then we are not able to understand. At that time has passes. So from the beginning, when we are in the center of organized self-employment ministry, our vote bank and our touch with the work, 750 MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha who will automatically visit definitely in all the districts, because they are also knowing that these people are interested in that, and 4,500 MLAs who are working in our different area, they will be also understand that they are blessing us with this fiscal credit salary. So the third, I have made 5th pass. In the 5th pass, I have done wage per day, that is 500. So fiscal credit per day is coming 250, and the salary per month is coming 15,000, and the fiscal credit salary per month is coming 7,500. So in hand per month is coming 7,500. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And I have tried to make organized self-employment ministry budget. from 1st April till 31st March, and automatically it will understand, because I have tried to explain from the ray of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united god and goddess dham and government dham. All 6 rays are having pair form. Each pair is there: Parvati Dham and Shiv Dham, Vishnu Dham and Lakshmi Dham. That can be Ram Dham and Sita Dham, Krishna Dham and Radha Dham. Then we have the pair of in that also Shiv Shakti Dham, Amiteshwar Dham, and in Vishnu Lakshmi Dham, Amit Dham and Abhilasha Dham. Then in the Brahma Saraswati Dham also 12 ISBN Dham. It is coming from the education Dham. What educational knowledge by truth and non-violence we are getting, and by documentation we are getting. Competition is always open and there is no problem. Like the democratic system, 50 to 60% polling is done in every election. Rest 40% are doing here and there. Some problem might be there, they are not able to come up. Only in few constituency 100% polling is done. So like this, if 30 to 40% also are appearing for self-earning, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credit, and 30 to 40% are interested, automatically we can move with the document. We have the system in this, and automatically I have told you, per month 10 rupees assurance from the government automatically will develop the family, because we are from Hindu and we are from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, government Dham. 6 families are already in our DNA and RNA, and we are already married. Means our family members are scattered all over India: Calcutta, Mumbai, Madras, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Rajasthan, everywhere, West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, everywhere we are connected with our brother or our sister or our uncle. Everyone we are scattered. We have to develop from the rays of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, and from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, and from the governor house I. And that rays we have to understand from the 750 MPs who are day and night working in the documented form. All are democratic representative, and from the 4,500 MLAs already working in the different areas. By this document system, we are becoming the medium and representatives. We are coming at the document center of employment, organized self-employment ministry. 10, 20, 30, whatever assurance is coming, I have tried to sketch. But on the document level, if it is coming small amount also, it is a gift in the document form. All the 12 mandirs are connected. As I have told you, the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir is also 175 crore mandir document. The each united Varshkrit god and goddess is also 175 crore. And the governmenteshwari, the constitution also is 175 crore. So in that way, we have to understand, we all are connected in organized self-employment ministry by document system. And what we are developing? A regular income, because irregular income is the cause of economic problem and economic weaker section. We are from the economic weaker section. Organized self-employment ministry is generating a self-employment government job system, and by the document system, by the grading system, right of educational certificate has been given capital value. So what will happen? We will become human capital by doing self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. And by the creativity, because by doing Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Prasadvari, Sukravari, Sanivari, Ravivari, Ekadasi, Dwadasi, Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, all types of puja, 16 February to 26 February puja, and 31st August to 11th September puja, 6 idol puja, Durga puja, Lakshmi puja, all types of puja. What will happen? Money we can also save, and by the assurance infinite population is adjusted. If we are not able to suitably in one area, we can make ourselves transfer to the other area. Self transferring system is also there by the central system and the state system. And if we want to live in metro, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, also by this organized self employment, because full system I have tried to develop, because all 12 Jyotirlinga of all Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adishakti, Jagadambadam, which shadow documents I have tried to develop, it is from all over India. All over India. And that shadow documents has been blessing us. We are going to them from time immemorial. We are Hindus. In this area we are living. We have work. Our forefathers have work. We are trying to document, and the democracy is also being documented, because we don't require any religion. We only require assurance of self-employment government job, because a regular income job is giving us that this much is assurance from our work. More we have to afford. For this I have tried to make a constitutional track system, because the constitutional belt system which I have tried to develop, as we have car belt in the car, similarly I have tried to develop the belt in the work, so that we do not fall. Because when we are falling alone, we are falling. And here 130 crore Aadhaar card is belted with each other, and we all are attached with 750 MPs by signing our documents. One faith they are giving and one faith we are giving. We have freedom that we can give vote to any of the political party. There is no compulsion. Whichever political party we are attached, we can easily give vote, and we can generate trust. The blessing can easily come. We have to understand Amit Kumar Jawad, the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. On this, we can purchase this book, Truth Only Trumps. We can purchase this book, Truth Only Trumps. This is 218 pages. This is 218 pages. We can purchase this and we can develop this Truth Only Trumps, because Truth Only Trumps is a 6 family drama which we are already playing. And this is the fiscal credit table which is giving a constitutional tax. If we are not earning, then also we are earning by this fiscal credit track. How? A constitutional track. What work we are doing, that work is being constitutional validity given. Income, work, educational certificate. And I am trying to mix up from 31st August 1946, so that the concept enter immediately with the current date 2021. This is Organized Self-Employment Ministry 22nd session. And then I have tried to put 5th class, 8th class, 10th class, 12th class, graduation, post-graduation, MPhil, DLET and PhD. All constitutional track. The trust and faith you have to develop with me, and the documents you have to sign. Automatically we will develop a structure of documented democratic economy, because we have the Aadhaar card from 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years and after retirement. Only thing we have to develop is the assurance from the Organized Self-Employment Ministry by the document system. And by the document system, we will develop the various types of ways by which we will be able to move in our life. And what will happen? We will be able to develop a secured life, because 10 rupees per month earning and assurance from the government side It will give ministerial benefit also. Pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness. We can make a funding system also. By that 50 pies can become pension, gratuity, provident fund. And what will happen? A organized system will develop by signing the document. Where we will go, we have to understand, and we have to make organized self employment ministry. Thank you.